Hello everybody!
Hello!
Greetings from Canada. We almost missed this one because we had a busy day. But it goes to show, if you can't make 8 minutes or 10 minutes time out to look after yourself on a daily basis, then something is wrong with your world. and you might want to fix it. Hang on, Remy. We are about to get started in front supports, and so Remy is going to teach you how to stretch your wrists today. Are you ready? Take it away, Remy! What's the first exercise today?
This one.
You want to tell everyone what that is?
It's an arm wrist stretch. You first wobble your arms around.
An arm wrist stretch. I love it.
It's
and what else?
It's all the things like your elbow, your arm, everything on your arm.
Okay, what's next?
The next one is like your hands go around.
Oh, open fingers rolling and stuff like that.
And the other one's this one.
Which is that one?
Or this one.
Was that one like with one finger up or something? Is that the pistol one?
And this is like that.
Oh, showing us hard work. What's next? Is there another one?
Yep.
What's another one?
And it's the trickiest one.
It's the trickiest. Well, tell everybody.
It's like the one you put your fingers to between, and then you like put
Show everybody.
keep your thumbs like in between like a gap, and then you do this.
Let's have a look. Oh, like make waves, like we're breakdancing.
Yeah, and you have to do this.
That's good. That's good for your fingers.
Yeah.
Did you realise that it makes your tongue stick out of your head when you do it?
No. It's just a good one.
It's a good one. It's good.
Wait,
Okay, is everybody ready? Remy's going to press the, wait, not yet, front support button. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's go. In 5, that's good. 4, leave it. 3, leave it. 2, and go. All right, so Remy, show me your front support shape. And your ankles are together. Good job. And your hands underneath your shoulders. Are your hands underneath your shoulders? Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay, so there's your hands.
Yeah.
And there's your shoulders.
Yeah.
Make sure your hands are underneath. And is our bottom high or low?
How like this?
Well, that's not quite a front support, that's a headstand. That's different. Here we go, 25 seconds to go. Hold it there. 15 seconds to go.
That hurt when I touch your...
Oh, a little bit. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Woo. Can you press that grey strip, Remy? That grey strip. Okay, thank you. Good. Give your wrists a shake and roll them again. That was good.
You want to do this one over the...
Hmm?
No, this one.
Just give them a good stretch. You might want to stretch them on the floor a little.
And this one's a tricky one. It's on the floor.
I mean, people can't see you if you're just looking at me. There we go.
You put them on, you do this, and you put it on the floor and you do this.
Yeah. That one felt pretty good. First one around. I like this feeling now where it's easy. And that's a feeling that you want. You may still be struggling with it. That is totally cool too. But you want to get into the spot where it's starting to feel easy. And it's like, well, and the next step is like an intuitive one. All right, let's get ready to go again. In 5, 4, don't touch it. In 4, 3, 2, up we go. It's a full minute. Shoulders above your hands. Your bottom is very squeezed.
What about this?
Your 2 ankles are lodged together, stuck together.
Like
And you hold it as still as a statue. Pretend you're a table and your back is the top of the table. Do you reckon I could put plates on your back, Remy, and it would stay there?
Yeah.
Do you think? Or would your bottom be too high? I think your bottom might be too high to be a table. You have to bring your bottom down a bit.
Too low.
Ready? 20 seconds to go. What's that? You're going underneath.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it crashed out onto a child. I destroyed a child in the process.
No, you didn't.
Do you want to show everyone your toy while they're stretching their wrists out? You wanted to show something before?
This.
Go on, show them. We have to get them into the camera so they're nice and close. Tell them what it is, Remy. While they're
It's a
stretching their wrists.
vacuum gun.
A what?
A vacuum gun.
A vacuum gun. And what do you do with it, Remy?
You roll it across this.
It does forward rolls, huh?
Yeah, and when you put that this little, where is that dot?
Oh.
There, this little P dot on this little magnet, and then when it does that, something shoot open.
Wow, it unravels, huh?
And then, when it's very shooted open, it turns into a mega dragon.
Okay, step back a bit so they can see it, Remy. And let's join this last one. Let's bring the dragon down onto the mat for a front support together. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and start Bakugan.
I'm gonna try and do it too.
Bakugan can do front supports.
Yeah.
Did you teach Bakugan?
Yeah.
You want to fix Bakugan's form up? What would you fix?
I'm gonna put 2 legs out like this.
2 legs out like that, yeah.
Put his head like that.
Head like that. And ooh, neato. Okay, well he's got 35 seconds to go. Can you hold it?
Of course again.
Can you hold it? Ooh, 25 seconds to go. Nice, nice, nice.
2, 1.
20 seconds to go.
5, 6, 9, 10, 11.
15 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Whitney, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Well done, Remy.
He did it.
And Bakugan made it too. Fantastic. Guys, I'll be sending out some information about our handstand party coming out soon. We'll be having
Bye-bye.
some games and stuff, things to do.
Get
I'll
the
send you
pod.
some information.
Get the party. Put the party. Get started. Get the party started.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.